Hey, so today we've got another dress diaries, and this is a much beloved by me dress. This is Metamorphose's 2006 Sweets Collection OP in pink. There are two cuts of this for the OP. This is the one without the Rochelle lace. So let's get into it. So this is a fully shirred OP with short sleeves, with a super cute like cake and desserts print. There's a teapot, there's cherries, there's strawberry cake or cherry cake, it's cherry cake, there's cookies, there's creme caramels, there's little pops of sweets. What is very cute is the cuffs for the sleeves have these little bears, and the lace is a nice cotton lace. This is the same as on the bottom of the dress as well. There's so much going on here. We've got a little gingerbread. We've got a jar of lollies. So yeah, it's got full shirring on the back, round to the front. There are waist ties for this, however, I don't know where they are, but they are only single layer. I will probably try and find them for when I do the all overview. There is around the neck, it's a square neckline and it's quite low, and there is a ribbon you can use to tighten it, and this is really flexible, like around the shoulders and the top. We'll move down onto the rest of the dress. It's not the most exciting detail wise, it's a really wide skirt, and we have these little pink bows and a pink silky ribbon that runs between each of the free tiers. And then we get to the bottom, there's a ruffle and the cotton lace which I mentioned earlier. This dress does not have a lining and it does not have pockets. This is exactly what I expected for 2006 Meta, really. It's definitely starting to show its age a bit, but it's still super cute. So I'm going to do an overview of the print closer up because there is so much going on. I cannot get it on camera, but this is a super cute dress and it's super comfy. And ever since I got it, I've been wearing it so much because it's just perfect. For watching, and I hope you enjoyed that, and I'll see you next time.